In the Autodesk Construction Cloud platform, account or project administrators use the project list to create new projects, edit existing projects, and create project templates. When creating a new project, you can enter a variety of information, including the project name, project number, account in which to create the project type, template, address, time zone, start and end dates, and project value. Once the project has been created, you will navigate to Project Admin and click Add Members in the Members tool. For each new member, you will select a company or role. You will also choose the member's access level, project member or project administrator. Finally, you will specify the products or modules you wish the member to access. In this example, Docs, Design Collaboration, Model Coordination, and Insight are selected. After the desired components of Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro have been activated, you can set up your project folder structure in Docs, your primary location for storing and organizing all project content.